Welcome to the Honda Video HRN216 storage. In this video, we'll show you how to safely and properly store your Honda mower when you don't plan to use it for a while. Handling and operating a lawnmower can be potentially hazardous to both the operator and those nearby. Never defeat or modify the safety devices on your lawnmower. For complete information regarding the storage of your lawnmower, refer to the owner's manual or visit your Honda Power Equipment dealer. Keeping your lawnmower clean can help it function properly and look great for years to come. Before cleaning your lawnmower, allow the engine to cool completely. The mower deck can be washed with a low-pressure water hose, but the engine should be hand-washed to prevent water from entering the engine. After washing the lawnmower, wipe dry all the accessible surfaces. Before washing the underside of the mower deck, be sure to turn the fuel valve to the off position and disconnect the spark plug cap. When tilting the mower over to clean the underside, always tip the mower to the right-hand side. Once washed, with the mower on a flat level surface, start and run the engine to bring it up to operating temperature to allow any remaining moisture to evaporate. Make sure you do this outside. Gasoline will oxidize and deteriorate while storing the lawnmower for any extended period of time and can cause fuel-related issues. A few simple steps taken to prevent fuel from oxidizing in your mower will go a long way. Although it's not required, it's a good habit to run the engine with the fuel valve in the off position until the engine stops after every use, or if you don't anticipate using the mower for several weeks. This removes most of the fuel from the carburetor, which aids in prevention of fuel system concerns. When storing your lawnmower for less than 60 days, simply adding a fuel stabilizer to the fuel can help reduce fuel-related oxidation. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on the bottle when adding fuel stabilizer. When storing your lawnmower for more than 60 days but less than a year, it's recommended to fill the fuel tank full with stabilized fuel and run the engine outdoors for 10 minutes. This makes sure that treated gasoline will replace the untreated gasoline through the fuel system, and then turn the fuel valve to the off position. Allow the engine to run until it shuts off by itself, which is typically a few minutes. Storing your lawnmower for longer than a year requires the same steps followed for storing for 60 days to 1 year, as well as a few additional steps to help protect internal engine components. Change the engine oil prior to long-term storage to prevent contaminants in the used engine oil from damaging the engine components. Adding oil to the engine cylinder prevents corrosion from forming inside the engine during storage. Disconnect the spark plug cap and set it aside, and then remove the spark plug. Pour about a teaspoon or 5 cc's of engine oil into the cylinder. Pull the recoil starter grip several times to evenly distribute the oil in the cylinder. Reinstall the spark plug cap, and finally pull the recoil starter grip until you feel resistance to close the valves to prevent air and moisture from reaching the combustion chamber during storage. For electric start models, if you're storing your lawnmower for an extended period of time, then it's recommended to use an optional float charger to keep the battery at full charge. To do so requires the accessory battery float charger available from your local Honda dealer. To begin charging the battery using the float charger, locate the charge port connector on the right-hand handlebar tube and unplug the connector as shown. Note that the battery cannot be charged with the handlebar folded down. Install the included charger adapter harness to the charge cord. Then, plug in the adapter harness closest to the battery. Plug the charger into any standard 120-volt outlet and confirm the red charge LED is on. The LED will turn green when the battery is fully charged. The battery float charger can stay connected to the lawnmower during the entire length of storage and will continuously charge and monitor the battery voltage. When finished charging, simply unplug the charger from the wall outlet and then uninstall in the reverse order of installation, making sure that the adapter harness stays with the charger. Store your lawnmower in a cool, dry area on a level surface, away from extreme temperatures. If you choose to cover your lawnmower during storage, Avoid plastic sheeting as a cover as it can trap moisture around the mower, which can promote corrosion. Use a porous cover or consider using the Honda accessory lawnmower cover. If you wish to fold the handlebars during storage, then simply remove the grass bag, release the handlebar adjustment knobs, and fold the handlebars forward, making sure not to kink the cables. For electric start models, it's recommended to not fold the handlebars if you're leaving the accessory battery charger attached during storage. You can place the grass bag on top of the engine with the bag opening facing the front of the lawnmower. For complete information regarding the storage of your HRN216 lawnmower, refer to the owner's manual or visit your local Honda Power Equipment dealer.